Hi, this is Mushkina Banu from CSE-C section. Today my topic is two-stroke engine working and CI engine working. Let us talk about two-stroke engine working. What is two-stroke engine and how it will works? By the diagram, we are knowing that two-stroke engine is a two-stroke engine is a type of internal combustion engine that completes a power cycle within two strokes of the piston during only one crankshaft revolution. This is contrast to a four-stroke engine that requires four strokes of the piston to complete a power cycle during two crankshaft revolutions. In four-stroke engine there are four strokes and in two-stroke engine there are only two strokes. In four-stroke engine the two-stroke engine is divided into half of the four-stroke engine. Let me explain two-stroke engine cycle. By this diagram we all know that the two-stroke engine have two parts. One is compression and ignition is also known as upstroke, and another one is power stroke and exhaust, which is also known as downstroke. First one, compression and ignition. When the piston is at the top of its cylinder, it is on its compression stroke. The cylinder is filled with pressurized superheated air. Diesel fuel is injected and ignites, and another one is power stroke and exhaust. The piston moves down the cylinder for its power stroke. When the piston is near to the bottom of its power stroke, the exhaust valves open and most of the burned gases rush out of the cylinder. When the valves open, when the piston is near to the bottom of its power stroke, then the valves are open and the gases which are burned, they are rushed out of the cylinder. And now as the piston continues to move down the cylinder, it uncovers a series of ports in the cylinder wall. The piston continues to move down the cylinder. It uncovers a series of ports in the cylinder. When the piston is not continuously moves, it stop and will start the cylinder. So the piston covers a series of ports in the cylinder wall. Pressurized air is blown in through the pushing the rest of the burned gases out of the cylinder and refilling it with fresh air charge. We are throw out the pressurized air, so the ports are pushing the rest of the burned gases out of the cylinder, and again we refilling it with fresh water charge. And the next one is compression ignition engine. By the diagram, we all know the compression ignition engine working. A compression ignition engine operating on liquid fuels or in the dual fuel mode, and also a compression ignition engine works on the principle of being injected into a charge of compressed air and spontaneously ignited by the high temperature of the induced air by heat of compression. This is because the producer gas cannot ignite by itself under prevailing pressure, and also the compression ignition engine is also known as a diesel fuel engine. By the side of the diagram, we all know the working of compression ignition engine. Some of the applications of compression ignition engine. like large ships, locomotives, commercial trucks, construction and farm equipment, power generators, and automobiles. We use these engines in cars, ships, and aeroplanes and trucks, and also in power generators. Thanking for giving this wonderful opportunity. Have a nice day.